Hi, I just want to talk about a few more essentials that I'm going to add to my kit. So including gloves, these are the Nitrile gloves that are latex free, powder free. This is a small size, which I found was much better than using a one size fits all, because once you're doing makeup it could slide off. So just increase the speed and being able to do your job. This is precaution. I've printed out my updated certificates to show that I have done a course in health and safety, and one's from Barbicide and then the other's from the online beauty course, which is CPD accredited group. So it just shows that I've gone through the course and learned about the health, hygiene and safety in the beauty workplace. When it comes to sustainability, I thought it would be a good idea to get these microfiber face cloths. So good for cleansing, soft for the skin, be quite handy to use on my clients for cleansing, and then I can get rid of it straight away and dispose of and wash and then reuse. So it's all about recycling and trying to reduce waste. These are also great. These are the organic pads, so they're brilliant. Just use soap and water. I tend to use to clean, because obviously anything with soap means that it will dry it out, clean and strip off any of the products off quite easily. And you can get up to 100 uses for each pad, which is great. And also these latex free cosmetic puffs, again they're great. You can just mix them with water and they become bigger. So you know, it's all about trying to reduce the wastage, but also reusing and being clean at the same time. So once your tools, your makeup are all wiped down with Barbicide or 70% alcohol wipes, the other thing you can do is to disinfect. This is a disinfectant box which works in 8 minutes. It's light and it's portable, and also it's big enough to fit quite a few things in at the same time. So you can just put your brushes in, the outside of your products, your phone, glasses, and press the button, leave it on for 8 minutes. It will turn itself off and then you've got your disinfected products. The other important things that we should have in our kits is a mask. I've been doing the research and I'm not sure which ones are the most effective. Apparently it's the ones that are canvas or double layers, which doesn't allow any droplets to come through. So if you're looking at the N95 mask, which they say is used on, you know, on construction sites or on medical teams, if they have the valve, it protects you from 95% of anything coming through. However, when you're breathing, it doesn't necessarily stop it from coming out. So ideally, I'm not sure about this. Also, you've got the other masks that are disposable, and these ones are cheap, but again, it's only designed for you to not touch your face. So in this circumstance, you know, if you hold it to the light and you can see through, that means it's not going to be as effective to get the droplets. So I'm still on the search to find the perfect mask. So if anyone out there knows the most safe mask that we should be wearing, let me know.